Hey guys, check this out. John at Fix-A-Fence. Hey, I just, you know, I'm always on the hunt for customers to, say, you know, how they found me, you know, and maybe even the decision-making process for how they found me online. And I came across another guy. Matter of fact, we just finished this one job. Look at this guy. Look at that. And this guy's customer's name is Ari. Ari, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Fine, thank you. So let me ask you a question. How did you locate Fix-A-Fence LLC?
Well, my friend Google helped me.
Friend Google.
Yeah.
Right on. Google's a very nice person, man. He helps a lot of contractors out. What was your decision-making process in hiring Fix-A-Fence?
Well, you came out, and I liked what you were sketching out. It made sense. Price was right.
Okay.
I could tell you knew what you were doing. So.
Yeah, cool. Well, I want to thank you for allowing Fix-A-Fence LLC to be a part of your life and build this fence for you. I mean, my guys, can I take them through this? Can I take them through the fence here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
By all means.
All right. Thanks again, Ari. I really appreciate this.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
All right. So anyway, like I said, he had nothing in front of this. We put 4x6 posts in here, right? And it wasn't too long ago, his wife accidentally hit the gate, and we had to come back and fix that.
For free.
For free, we did, yeah. And anyway, so here's the gate. Single swing gate, nice little latching mechanism there, right? And it's all sandwiched in with the 5/8 by 1.5, and we've got these nice post caps for them. Those are mitoless post caps. But anyway, yeah, John at Fix-A-Fence. You keep smiling. Have a great day.